In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change or how to revert back to the default icon theme on the Samsung Galaxy A05. So start by entering the Galaxy theme store, and we have two methods we can use to do this. The first is by long pressing on an empty space on your home screen, and then selecting themes. And the second is by opening the settings app, and in settings, scroll and select the option themes. Either way, you'll be redirected to the Galaxy theme store. From here, tap on menu, and you should see the option my stuff. Select it, and then tap on the option labeled icons, and once selected, tap on default. Tap on apply to confirm and save your changes. And once it's been applied, you'll notice that when you go back to the home screen, that the icon theme has been returned back to its default view. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.